Look at that. We got the Chang's lettuce wraps. How is this food safe? It's date night. We're at the PF Chang's. Gosh, they switched the lettuce, guys. It's like a romaine now. It's a chemical in washing and assisting in the peeling of fruits and vegetables. Secret family recipe. Secured the PF Chang's leftover. At the lab, we got the leftover Chang's lettuce wrap filling here. You know, I was kind of thinking about it, and I think that distinct smell and flavor is maybe just like the propane from the grill or the burn from the grill. So let's go ahead in the headspace file and put it on the GC. So let's do that. See if we can get some of these flavors. All right, we got that Chang's chicken lettuce wrap. Chang's lettuce wrap data. Bright and early Monday morning, I wanted to check this out. First peek, by the way, just to confirm with everyone, the bottom is a blank. The top is the PF Chang's data. We're doing this because we're finding some interesting things. This peak at 507 is showing up as, we look at it in this, it's got a bunch of different names. It looks like this. It's called butyl glycol. It's called down-LEB. Goes by the name I like to call it ethylene glycol butyl ether. So I'm pretty confident this is in food. The NIST is at 54%. For a small little guy like that, that's pretty much for sure. This is what's in there. So how is this food safe? How did this get through FDA CFR 40, generally recognized as safe rules? Let's go ahead and we searched it in the Google. It looks like it is a solvent and it's used for cleaning metal and things like that. And so it did a little digging and it looks like it received a referendum for the EPA. Again, not an expert, but from Food Quality Protection Act, it was actually its use. It also has an indirect food additive use approved by the FDA as an adhesive defoaming agent for materials used in food packaging, as a solvent used for food contact surfaces, and as a sanitizing solution on food processing equipment or for washing fruits and vegetables. So I'm like, okay, so this toxic cleaning agent is known to be toxic, but it is okay for use because it is a sanitizing solution for surfaces. And you know what? I think this is kind of like, maybe that's that secret sauce. It's this sweet flavored ether, this butoxyethanol. Maybe that like secret flavor, and it's probably just come from them cleaning either the vegetables or cleaning the grill. It has a flavor profile on Good Sense, which is kind of usually for foods and flavorings, and it's a sanitizing agent for food processing equipment. It is a secondary direct food additive permitted for food and human consumption, even though it is known to be toxic. And it is because it's in all these different components. It's in polymers for single-use and repeat-use food contact. It's to utilize and control growth of microorganisms. So this is kind of like a cost-benefit analysis. We got to use this because it's kind of safe for food, but it's mainly used as a chemical in washing and assisting in the peeling of fruits and vegetables. It's all I'm seeing again is a bunch of esters. We got this guy. We got this guy right here, which is like a propionic acid ester. I don't have a way to figure out the smell. This is a butyric acid, ethyl hexyl ester. You know, I can't figure out what these long chain esters really smell like. Another butyric acid, hexyl ester right here. We can take a look at this guy. This one's called ethyl hexyl butyrate. I guess it's as good as mine. These are high hits though, so I really do think this is what we're seeing in here. This is probably that like unique smell flavor, but again, it's just kind of too complicated for me to get these things. Another strange, I mean, I don't know about that guy. I mean, it's definitely probably the right hit. Don't know why that's there. This is this isoboronyl acrylate. Another acrylate's kind of strange. And then we have another long chain ester. This is a pentanoic ethyl hexyl ester. It's going to be valeric acid. Valeric acid esters, if they're short chain, have fruity smells. Long chain, don't really know. And all these are approved for use in food and are safe. These are just long chain esters. But yeah, everything we're finding is kind of it's kind of boring other than these strange solvents from cleaning.